Another channel. Crazy thing is, everything I caught today, this was on night crawlers, and I just threw it out there. Yeah, just threw it out there. Night crawlers, third fish of the day. 2 channels and 1 shovel head. Just threw this out. I mean, it haven't even been out maybe 2 minutes. I remembered I had some night crawlers in there. I said, let me try. I was trying to catch some bait, so I was hoping something little would have hit it. But nice healthy channel. If I was gonna eat them, this would be the one I would eat. Pretty, nice pretty channel. Got the channel a couple pounds. All right, fish number 3. 6/19, no, 6/9/19. Damn, my mama's birthday in 3 days. All right, main fishing, B. Jackson.